Hello, my name is Glenn Rhodes. You can find me at gogreenwithglenn.com. We met, you qualified for the Rhode Island grant as a solar incentive from the state of Rhode Island, which is the best way to go solar in Rhode Island. That's how I took my family solar. And I sent you a grant proposal. Well, I have some news for you about the next grant date. Because we're in a pandemic this year, things are a little different. So the state is only going to be having 3, not the normal 4 grants. They have 1 each quarter. What has happened is they skipped the second grant in the springtime, and they're going to be going right to the second grant in July. The exact date's going to be July the 19th. And my team needs at least 2, but preferably 4 weeks to get your grant, because we have to do a lot of work, taking it all the way through the engineering phase, addressing any get-ready cost, making sure that you actually have an engineering letter. So this is ready to go to the roof after the grant awards that money, which will happen. So if you're outstanding, I encourage you to call me or go to my booking page and book an hour, and let's talk about your proposal. And if you want to move forward, do the paperwork so we can get you on the schedule and get you that grant, okay? Very importantly, this grant's going to keep the $7,000 maximum award and also the 85 cents a watt to the roof, which I put in your proposal. But the third and final grant this year, which will most likely happen in October, is going to reduce those incentives some. So we're not sure how much, but the state is, I think, maybe going to remove that maximum from $7,000 to $6,000. So that's going to be significant for some folks. And I believe maybe the incentive per watt is going to come down a little bit. But more on that, I will update you. But I encourage you, if you're sitting on a grant proposal, that's the best way to go solar, and you're going to get the fastest payback of any kind of home improvement project that you would look at here, because we're replacing that electric bill, which just is very expensive out here in New England and keeps going up. Okay, so over and out for now, and have a good day.